Okay, last example for this 6-1, guys, is we have Alonso who wants to install a fountain in this triangular garden. Where should Alonso place the fountain so that it's equidistant from the vertices of the garden? So remember, we want this to be the same length. See that there, and that there, and this one should be equidistant. It might not look like it, guys, because we're trying to make a fountain. So I beg you to make this be patient, guys. But it's just all we got to do is find the midpoints, guys, and from there we can have fun, guys. Okay, so let me show you guys on this one. Let me just make it a little bit bigger, right about there. I'm gonna put this one up here, right there. Oops, sorry. Oh, I'm already there. Okay, so make it a little bit bigger, right there. Okay, now I'm gonna use a ruler, guys. Before I do that, I need to find the midpoint between these two. So I'm gonna add 8 plus 0, and I'm gonna divide by 2, which is 4. So I'm gonna go, let me see, right here, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, right there, guys. And the midpoint, let me see, is that right? Let me see, 1, 2, 3, and let me just go a little bit higher so I can see the whole, yeah, there we go, that's even better. So 2, 3, 4, and then 12, and that would be 7. So we should go from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right about here. See that? And that should give us a nice point. And I'm gonna see if I can put it in blue. So it's 4, 7. So that's the midpoint right there. Okay. And the other midpoint over here will be also -8 and 0. So they will be -4. And again, I'm gonna go out there. See that? Okay. With that in mind, then I need to go and make sure that I have like a 90 degree right there, guys. And then let me see if I can get my dandy ruler right there. And I need to make this 90 degrees. I need to make it 90 degrees, just a little bit of 90. Okay. And you can tell right there, if I go right there, guys, right in the middle, right about there, it should be right about there. See, like in the middle of that little square right there, but then I also have to have it right about there. Okay, there, more or less. Okay, and now I'm going to put a line straight down, and I'm gonna right there. Okay, then I'm gonna do the same thing over here, and I'm gonna make sure that I get my 90 degrees. See, that could be like about right there. That would be 90 degrees, more or less. Right about there. Okay, and I'm going to right there. And that's how you do it, guys. And I'm gonna come and I'm gonna say my in center is right there. So my not in center, my it's gotta be equidistant, yeah. So I got this done right here, guys, and this will be located more or less at 0, maybe 3.8, something like that. And look, in theory, if we were to look at this from this perspective, and if I had this line is equidistant to this line, is equidistant to that line right there. See that? There, so it's supposed to be the same length. Okay, the same length. Sorry, it doesn't quite look from there, but that's from this triangle to that side right there, it should be about the same height. And of course, if we wanted to do and say, well, this is 90 degrees right there, this would be 90 degrees, we could find the size if we wanted to, no problem whatsoever. But that's how you do it. You basically find the midpoint, and from there you go straight where they cross. That's exactly where the center for this one is. The circumcenter is at. It's right in the middle of the triangle. And it doesn't look like it's in the middle, but we're looking from the bottom, from the top to the bottom. So that's why it looks like that, because it's going to be like a pyramid, like a prism. So anyway, I thought that was really, really cool. And that's how you do it. Grab the midpoints, boom, boom, find the midpoints, and then you will find that it goes right to there. And then from this length to this length, it will be the same length, equidistant, equidistant, equidistant. And there you are.